Okay, everybody. So today we're going to look at advanced reporting, specifically looking at data cubes. So when looking at advanced reporting and how to create data cubes, just so that you know, data cubes is just another way in which to prepare a data set. That's quite a complex maybe data set, but a lot more information in a better looking table that's legible. Let's get going. Okay, so I've got my Smart 7 open, and we need to first start off by creating a query. So I go to queries and I view queries. So I want to create a summary query, a patrol summary query. So new patrol summary query. On the left hand side in the group bys, I'm going to want the year first. So double click the year in order to add it there. And I want also a patrol transport type option. So I'm going to look at the patrol type per year in the law enforcement side of things. So now I'm going to go look at my values, and I'm going to specifically look at the number of people, illegal activities, poaching, can't poacher. Let's look at number of carcasses as well. And then also I think that's actually a good one. And maybe number of snares. Let's do that. So count observations if I run the query. Okay, if I look obviously at the top there, that's fine. But at the further down here is the numbers. So everything from 2016 onwards, there's nothing there. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. So patrol, give it a legible name, something like that. Save it in the correct location so that you'll be able to find it again. Now we're going to add it to our report. So I'm going to go to report, view reports. I've got a new report here that I'm going to edit. And in the data set here, I'm going to right click data set. I'm going to add a new query, and I'm going to go find the one that I've just created, which is this one here. So now the first thing here is I want to change the double header. So I know that the first value was year. Make sure that they are both exactly the same here. And I know the second one was transport type. Click OK, and there it is added to my report. Okay, so I click save. Now here is my data cube. So I right click and I say new data cube, and I can just give it a name. And in here, I'm going to say groups and summaries. Well, sorry, the primary data set I need to assign it is this one, groups and summaries. So in the groups here, you're going to have something like year. So you click and you drag it into year, as well as the patrol type. And then you're going to, in the summary field, you're going to drag in the number of observations or the sum of specific values. So I click OK, and you'll see here is my data cube here. So that's as simple as creating a data cube. Remember to save, and you will display data cubes in crosstabs. Cool.